For multi-site retail and hospitality groups, control matters. Not just over brand and content, but over cost, reliability, and support. Because the fundamentals have to work every single day. For too long, the standard approach has left clients managing hardware fees, slow responses, and systems that demand more attention than they should. That's where Startle comes in. Startle is the fully managed background music and digital signage provider built for multi-site retail and hospitality brands. We don't just give you a platform, we take responsibility for delivering it properly. Free next-day shipping with easy plug-and-play setup. Absolutely no quibble hardware replacement. 24/7, 365 human support whatever your trading hours. Proactive remote diagnostics that prevent disruption before it reaches the floor. And absolutely no surprise costs for hardware or call-outs. In venue, you still get everything you'd expect at enterprise level. Expert music curation, centralized control, and complete brand consistency across every location. Music and signage shouldn't be complicated. With Startle, they aren't. Get in touch today to get started.